My name is Kasaila Musonda, a founder of Biogas Tech Zambia. It's an enterprise that is specialized in the construction of biodigesters, a technology that uses animal waste to create clean cooking energy and organic fertilizer. Growing up in Zambia, it was always a girl's responsibility to ensure that food in the household is cooked on time. My house was not an exception. As a result, we were bearing a lot of burden to ensure that we collect firewood and we have charcoal ready for preparation of our meals. So when I grew up and had this opportunity of introducing a clean energy solution to women and girls out there to cut on the use of firewood and charcoal, I saw it as an opportunity, and hence the idea was born to start the enterprise. Biogas Tech Zambia has been in operation since 2018, and so far we've built 300 biodigester plants in Zambia. The impact that we've made is that we've enabled Zambian households to be able to cook with clean energy and also have access to organic fertilizer. And we hope to spread the technology to the rest of the parts of the country so that we can have more households to have access to this good technology that we're providing. Apart from the technology giving you clean cooking energy, we take pride in the fact that we also give you organic fertilizer, which is going to enable you to be able to farm continuously without having the worry of where you're going to get your chemical fertilizer. So it gives you two byproducts, organic fertilizer and the biogas cooking energy.
I would say as an enterprise, our main challenge has been transportation. As in the places that we are mostly found, the terrains are very bad. So we found out that you would need an off-road vehicle, but we have been using a smaller vehicle that we have. So basically that's our main challenge. I'd say our experience has been really wonderful. We've learned a lot of things, especially on the financial aspect of our business. There are so many things that we tend to overlook, but after this program, we're very sure that we're going to be very much on track. So it has been really wonderful. What really motivated us was mainly growth. As an enterprise, you would want to get to a point where you are graduating from where you started and where you're going, and also finances. We really needed help in that area. So it was a good opportunity for us to learn all those aspects. Responsibility matrix has been a challenge. As an enterprise where we tend to do most of the duties that other guys are supposed to be helping us with, but we used to do most of them. So when these being given to us, we now know that we are, as an enterprise, it's not everything that we are supposed to do. And there's also market segmentation where we got to learn much about our clientele, who is exactly our client and where they're located. So it has been very insightful. 5 years from now, we see a business that is going to be run in the right direction according to how we were taught on operations and handling finances, and also have a market share in some parts of the country.
We envision an economy where households in Zambia and a greater percentage has got access to clean cooking solution, and they can be able to cut on the use of unclean cooking solution.
To fellow entrepreneurs, I would say I think it's very wise to apply in incubation programs like this one that A2C has brought in conjunction with Growth Africa. Why? Because they help you a lot to get to know your business and to map the way forward and become a better entrepreneur.